Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FB Facebook. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very nice day on Facebook, and not necessarily just because it was green on the day, but I wanted to look at a bigger picture viewpoint of the chart, because what essentially happened today was that the price got a break of a very stubborn area of resistance, which, if you go through the history of the chart, had been forming, this pattern. So 268 was that red line resistance right there. And then the other part of the pattern was just the overall uptrend. So what is known as an ascending triangle here. Actually, let me get this changed to green to represent the support portion of the pattern. But like I said, that is what the price, had been trapped in for basically the past several days. But now with the close, you can see that the price is now actually flirting with the top portion of that pattern, which brings about the more than valid, the more than rational, and really the wise question to be asking is, all right, hey, a breakout has happened, but is this a true break? Is this the start of something much bigger? Now, it very well may not be, but my core point here, it at least makes sense. It's a logical thought to be wondering, is this the start of something bigger? Because there has been a breakout that's actually taken place. So just because a breakout takes place doesn't mean that it's for sure going to get bigger and bigger, but at least it's it makes sense to be wondering the question, can this actually turn into something much bigger? Whereas if the price is just at a random spot, then it doesn't really make sense to ask, can it get bigger? Well, bigger relative to what? But in this situation, it's bigger relative to the pattern breakout. So that'll be the key dynamic to watch going forward, and why 268 is a very important level. And I'm not saying that this is what's going to happen, but if the price comes down to 268 and then just falls below it, does that mean the entire chart's ruined? Absolutely not. But that would just be telling you that the breakout that happened today wasn't really a true breakout, because all of a sudden you'd have the price, right back inside of that pattern, and that's not what truly strong breakout moves do. So 268, definitely that important level that you want to see the price stay up above. But if this is indeed the start of a bigger move, next key test, not until up there around the 274 mark, so keep a close eye on that. But certainly an interesting pattern, certainly interesting price movement. So let's see how things play out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.